the health benefits all in all. Soya, broccoli, beetroot steak with the creamy pesto sauce. Now I am curious to know how this is made. इसके बारे में तो मैंने बहुत सुना है. मेरी जो दोस्त है मुंबई में और पुणे में यही कहते रहते हैं कि एबनर आपको ये जगह पे आना है जो कि रिदम लोनावला में आना है एंड यू हैव टू ईट this steak. So I am going to find out from the head chef Mr. Vinod Shankar how this is done. But before which I want all of you to like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel 306090 production, and also not forgetting the tiramisu. For all you coffee lovers and sweet tooth addict, let's just go and find out of how this is done here at the Rhythm Lonavala. If it's nature, it's rhythm. जैसे कि मैंने कहा, दिस वन इज फॉर ऑल यू वेजिटेरियन एंड फिटनेस फ्रीक्स. व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू ईट नाउ, नो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू शो यू नाउ एंड आई एम गोइंग टू ईट इज द सोया, broccoli and beetroot steak. Now this is served with a creamy pesto sauce, and to make this we have the head chef Mr. Vinod Shankar himself. He has 20 years of culinary experience and he's worked with so many groups, the Taj, the Oberoi, the Hyatt, and he is going to design something for this and I'm so excited. इतने लोगों ने मुझे कहा कि एबनर आपको अगर ये डिश खाना है तो you specifically have to come to Rhythm Lonavala, and with the head chef I'm going to show you the dish, the most experienced man in the industry, Mr. Vinod Shankar. मिस्टर विनोद शंकर सर, बहुत सुना है मैंने, मुंबई में भी सुना है, पुणे में भी सुना है. लोग कह रहे हैं ये डिश के बारे में जो कि है ब्रोकली, बीटरूट, सोया स्टेक सर्व विद क्रीमी पेस्टो सॉस. मैं खुद खाया यहाँ पर एंड ट्रस्ट मी इट्स सच एन ऑसम डिश. तो सर, व्हाट इंस्पायर्ड यू टू मेक दिस डिश?
This is just for the people who love veg and who have healthy freaks. All the ingredients which I have used here is we can say it's an immune booster, and against the meat. People are going against the meat for the healthy reason. The soya, the broccoli, the beet, everything has the best nutrition you can get. And the steak, I used to feel well as somebody with the non-vegetarian plate, they're having nice grilled steak of chicken or something, a lamb, but on the other hand the vegetarian are suffering. To meet that, I have created this.
So let's just get into the making without wasting a single minute. जानते हैं शेफ से ये कैसे बनाते हैं ये डिश. So let's just capture this awesome dish which is the soya, broccoli, beetroot steak served with creamy pesto sauce. Check it out.
Here we have these ingredients which I'm going to use it. Okay, what we have here is a soya shredded.
Shredded soya is what's going first.
Okay. This is well blanched cooked beetroot.
This is the beetroot.
Yeah.
Wow, looks red and red.
And nicely chopped fresh blanched broccoli.
And this is the broccoli.
Yeah.
So main three ingredients: the soya, the beetroot,
we need
and
to
the
have
broccoli.
some seasoning to that.
Lovely.
Some salt and pepper. That's it. Nothing much.
Just that's it.
Yes. To make it like a dough has been formed like that to give a shape as a steak.
Is the beetroot boiled and mixed?
Yeah. They're boiled and they're shredded.
They're boiled
grated.
and shredded.
Yeah, they're grated. I take this pan, little olive oil.
Oh, lovely.
It's all the ingredients are cooked. You need not cook for long, just mark it and get a nice color to it. So you'll get this texture.
Chef, you know what? If I put like bread over it and it becomes a burger.
Yes.
Presenting the soya, beetroot, and broccoli steak.
some zucchini to it, a little tomatoes, add on a little more nutrition and filling to it.
Oh, I love the
Sweet.
small tomatoes.
Few cherry tomatoes. Here I have a sauce.
This is the creamy pesto sauce, right?
Yeah.
And what is this made out of?
This here I have not used any milk, any cream or dairy product. Here I have used soya milk.
Oh, this is soy milk. This is soya
Yeah.
milk.
This goes very well for the vegan crowd also. Who
Oh,
are vegan. No animal product.
oh, that looks yummy.
Little bit of soft parsley and a pinch of carbohydrate.
Presenting to you the most healthiest dish of 2021. Pure vegan for all the fitness freaks, for all the non-vegetarians. You've got the soya, you've got the beetroot, you've got the broccoli with the creamy pesto sauce, with the veggies, and yes, for a little bit of carbohydrate, you've got the garlic bread, the bread there. Completes my meal, I think. This is the dish that you should come in for because this is only served at the Rhythm Lonavala. I repeat, ये जो डिश है सिर्फ Rhythm Lonavala में आपको मिलेगा at a very affordable and a very good price. Trust me, you're getting this. It's for your health. Make the best use of it. And this is Chef Vinod Shankar. Thank you so much, sir, for spreading the smile. I love your smile. And yes, Chef, you know what? I think that plate should also be in my hand now because I want to take it run.
Please, it's
Yes.
all yours.
There, I'm going to go off. Tata, bye bye. So, you know what? We spoke to you about the second dish as well, and this is one of my favorites, and I know a lot of you love this one. This is the tiramisu, and we are going to find out from the chef how they make tiramisu because if you are a coffee lover, आपको अगर coffee rush चाहिए तो tiramisu is something that you will love for all you sweet toothers. So,
Okay, for tiramisu we need a nice mascarpone cheese. Here is the mascarpone cheese. We need a caster sugar. And this is the lady finger which I have normally on the finger shape, but I have did it round to accommodate in this plate.
okay,
We have kalwa, we have coffee liquor. We have infused this in this coffee liquor. Now what
Okay.
I'll do, I will soak this lady finger in this.
the lady finger is getting soaked in the nice coffee liquid. Oh wow.
And this is the same cheese which been whipped and got into this creamy texture. That's good. Okay, a layer has been cleared. Into it, which I'll be just. I have created some chocolate garnish too. A few fresh coffee beans. There you go.
Presenting the all new, the brand new tiramisu here, which is eggless. Yes, it has milk, it has coffee liqueur, it has a lot of chocolate, and trust me, the biscotti, which adds to the flavor. this is something that I can't wait to eat. We'd like to thank Rhythm Lonavala for giving us this awesome treat. And if you ever come to Lonavala from Mumbai, Pune or wherever in India, you have to come here to taste the soya, the beetroot, the broccoli steak with the creamy pesto sauce and the tiramisu, because the team here is all set to serve you with their love, smiles and happiness. And there we go. So together with me, yay!